Guys, standing ovation, Harley, 13 kills, nangunguna, malapit na. Galing, galing. Ang galing igiling. Magaling gumiling. 3,000 po, 3,000 pesos ha. O sino mga 30 kills, 3,000 pesos, send agad yan. Legit guys, legit send agad.
In order to fill it again.
Kill! Legendary!
Shout out kay Leobert B. Magandang hapon sa iyo.
An enemy has been slain.
Nagkakapakpak pala yun, Nerf. Sana all may wings. With wings. Stuck on you. Nilamon ka ng tropa. Ano na ay.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Alam ko kung nasa ka pre. Joke lang. Out. Ouch. Nagpo-pure damage dapat tayo eh. Okay. Si Harley guys, 14 kills na. Malapit na bossing, konti na lang yan. Shout out kay Zane, magandang hapon. Sa mga gusto sumali guys, i-follow nyo lang ako kapag malapit na mag-start yung game. Kasi ang kinukuha natin yung mga latest followers.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but an order.
Ally has been slain.
Kunot. Ang kunot ni Kalea pre.
Ally has been slain.
Shoutout kay Zane, shoutout kay Paul, shoutout kay Ronaldo. Magandang hapon sa inyo.
The man who can beat me has not been born.